We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this to us.
Hey everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the alien from Toy Story. This look that I came up with right here. I'm going to show you exactly how I created everything you see. But before that, I just want to say if you're new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and join my little family. Comment down below and say hi. I honestly love making new friends and I will subscribe to your channel. If you're a returning subscriber and friend of mine, I love you so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching my content, commenting, interacting with me. It means everything to me. So without going on too long, let's just get into this tutorial. Okay, so for this alien look, I think we're gonna start off with the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm gonna do a purple and blue eye look, like a glam alien, a girl version. Just putting my own little twist on it. I don't want to look like anybody else's alien. So we're going to go in with this blue right here and put it on the crease. Don't mind my chin. I am breaking out. It has been really hot. I don't know if it's hormonal partially, but my skin is not being my friend right now. Sorry about the blowing sound you might hear. I have to have the fan on. It is just way too hot. We're going to go in with this darker blue right here. We're just using a smaller detail brush to go right directly in the crease. And I think I'm going to go back over the edges, but we're going to use a little bit of this blue. Brighten and lighten it up just a little. I love that color blue. It's so pretty. I'm going to cut the crease. I think I'm going to use this purple glitter here because it is so pretty. It does kind of need a really tacky base or to be wet. Look at that, stunning. Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I? Just packing the purple on until I am satisfied with the pigment. I'm gonna take that small detail brush and just bring the blue in a little bit further, out a little bit more. A nice tip if you mess up or go a little too high, your line is not straight, Q-tips are great for so many things. I love perfecting around the edges. The Q-tip, I use it for my eyebrows. If I don't feel like going in with concealer. It's a really helpful little tool to have in your makeup room. So this is what I made for my alien. I mean, I'm not gonna wear it exactly like this. I was thinking to wear it so I could hide my ears, kind of have some hair forward and just have it sort of like that. That's pretty cute, right? There we go, okay. Just make sure my ears are hidden. I just made these out of like foam paper. I created a little look like indents with a pencil. And then I made this little guy. Just kind of want to have my hair back right now so it's not getting in the way. Let's do it. So it's behind the ears for now. Oh God, oh yes, I'm sexy looking. Oh God. I was thinking to do a blue liner. I have this Essence eyeliner pen in Jump and Swim. I want to make like a more defined blue line there. So let's find a very tiny brush. And we'll go in with this dark blue right here. I'm just gonna go right on the crease here. right where the blue and the purple meet. Just gonna go back in with this color right here and just perfect this line a little. So I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I went to Michael's craft store and I got this teeny tiny little brush, and it's amazing for detail work with painting. It's by Artist Loft, but it was like $12 just for one brush, so I have to slowly collect some because that's just kind of out of my budget for one brush. We're going to go back into the James Charles palette and we're going to use this purple for the brows.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always
I'm going to use purple paint and I'm going to make a purple choker. Alright, we're going to paint my face with green. I'm going to use a beauty blender.
staying up when I go out. You gotta know I'm all yours, but when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch
go in with the sparkle and then the blue on top to make this third eye match the other eyes. This color and this one mixed together. So I'm gonna do some contouring. I don't know if this green is gonna show up, but we're gonna try. Let's try maybe this one.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours.
Try to put on a lash. Then I gotta draw the thing on my neck and I'll be done.
Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do
We need to use orange.
save me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
I'm gonna just use the dark blue to outline. Alright guys, so this was kind of a long process. This eye was super hard to do, but I'm finally finished this look. I think it came out pretty cool. I am not used to doing eyes. I did try doing my own eye color because I thought that would be really super cool, but it's super hard to do your eye. Like, a natural eye is not really just one shade. It has a lot of designs in it, and I just couldn't get the right shade. So I decided to go with black. I mean, the alien from Toy Story actually does have three black eyes. So I'm just gonna have to change this with editing. I don't have any color contacts, unfortunately. So this is my final look. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, lets me know that you're enjoying my content. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and until the next time, bye!